Wait, I heard you guys wanted to hear me share our brand's products in different accents in a video. Well, then don't miss out this video. Today I will use different accents to introduce our company's product types to you and recommend the hot selling products in our company. If you're interested, please like and follow us now to unlock more useful information later. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tony. How to choose an advertising logo that suits you. First, you need to find out what you need and product type characteristics. Our brand has a wide range of signage that can meet the needs of businesses, stores, individuals, and different scenarios. Product types are mainly divided into luminous signs, non-luminous signs, neon series, and customized products. Including LED signs, acrylic signs, marquee letters, track letters, LED light boxes, 3D infinity mirrors, etc. Most of them are made for LED materials, which will emit light when powered on. It's really eye-catching, isn't it? Includes metal letters, pylon signs, store signs, etc. Generally used for decoration or outdoor signs, with good material and excellent appearances. 霓虹灯系列 including flexible neon lights, acrylic neon lights, and glass tube neon lights, etc. Except for commercial use, the neon light series is also a common choice for home decoration and party celebration. 定制标识 customized signs. We also offer product customization services. The above types are customized according to your personal needs. If you have just know our brand and products, then I would recommend our neon light series, light box series, LED lights, infinity mirrors, and door signs. They are the hot selling products right now. Have a great reputation, and they are creating new opportunities for traffic and profitably for many of our clients' businesses. Of course, the above is only a partial introduction to the company's products. We are a professional signage manufacturer with more than 13 years of experience, have mature technology, high quality products, international certificates, and after-sales services, and will continue to develop and create more opportunities for you in the future. If you have any question about the product, please consult us at any time. You can click on the official website link, contact us by WhatsApp, or tell us in the comment area, and we'll give you a detailed answer. Last but not least, remember to follow and subscribe to us. Thank you for the watching. See you guys next time, and follow LC Sign.